Let's make a simple house and a tree. We'll require a cutting mat, printout, glue, scale, dried up ballpoint pen, tweezers, paper cutter, scissor. I wanted a small house, so I have taken a printout on A5 size paper of 120 GSM. We'll start with scoring all the fold lines with the help of an empty or dried out ballpoint pen and a scale. Scoring helps in giving proper crease to all the fold lines. With the help of a paper cutter, we'll cut out all the shapes. The paper cutter and the scissors are very useful things, but they have sharp edges. So we have to be very careful when we are using them. We have to take extra precaution when children are around because they might catch hold of it and might injure themselves or someone. I have not designed this beautiful house. I'll mention the link in the description box below from where you can directly download from the author's site and make one yourself. This beautiful paper model is very easy to make, and you can make one yourself and display it in your school project or proudly display it in your showcase. We can even use a scissor to cut out all the parts. When using a scissor, we'll roughly cut out all the parts and then properly cut all the parts. This will be very helpful in easily cutting out all the parts. After finishing the cutting, we'll give crease to all the fold lines. To get the sharp edges of the crease, we can use a blunt, smooth surface of a piece of plastic and rub it over all the fold lines. Now we will apply glue on the tabs and paste the walls. The choice of glue is very important. The glue should be such that it shouldn't warp the page and at the same time it should be quick to dry. Then apply glue on all the tabs of the roof and place the roof properly in its position. The forceps, or it is also known as tweezers, become very handy in such a situation where it is difficult to press the parts with the help of fingers. Congratulations! Our beautiful village card is ready for display. To make the trees, first we will fold the tree one over the other and then bend it in half as shown in the video. Then we'll have to paste the two parts of the tree back to back and then we'll have a beautiful nice tree. Hope this has inspired you in making a paper model of a village house yourself. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.